guys, how's it going? Brendan here, aka Mr. Weaverface. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a headlight bulb in a 2009 Toyota Highlander. So as you guys can see, the passenger side headlight is out, so what we want to do is turn off the lights and open up the hood. So guys, we added some light to the situation. We're on the passenger side right here with the headlight, and the windshield wiper fluid's coming up right here, and what we want to do is access the section to the left of the windshield wiper fluid in this area right here. So again, the passenger side headlamp, windshield wiper fluid area, and if you guys can see this connection, these wires going in to that circular rubber ring, that's the connector to the headlight bulb. And then we're going to take that off, and then take the rubber ring off, and then take the old bulb out. Okay, we got the connector off. This thing is dirty. We're going to clean this sucker out. Okay, there we go. It was on there pretty snug. Okay, so it looks like there's this paper clip type latch on there. And what we're going to do is push it in and then open that up. And that should allow us to take the bulb out. You see how we took it out? In that orientation, that's how we're going to be putting it in. So these are bulbs that I got. I got a set of bulbs just to see how bright this one compares to the one that's in there. I may replace the other one or use one as a spare if I screw this up too bad. But I got these from Advanced Auto Parts. It's the Extra Vision made by Sylvania, part number 9003. So with the new bulb, do not touch the glass part of the bulb. Any oils on your fingers or dirt or grease will decrease the lifespan of the light. Alright guys, so remember we're putting it in like this, where these two prongs are in the bottom. Down here, that one, and the three prongs. The connection prongs are as so. So we're going to put them in just like this. And if you can see down in there, there is like a recessed area where those two bottom prongs go in. And there's one on the top as well, as so. So let's get the latch across. Okay. Let's get the rubber above that. I did clean it off a little bit, but it is still kind of dirty. Make sure you push it in all the way. And then we'll push the connector in. There does seem to be a bit of grease there already, so looks like that should be good. Let's turn on the light and see what happens. So there you have it, guys. We got the driver's side headlight working and the passenger side. We like it when they match up like that. So yeah, real easy to do. Took about 5 minutes. Not a big deal at all. You know, just get familiarized with like how the bulb comes out, how to take that rubber ring off and put it back together. Real easy to do. So if you guys have any issues with the headlight in your Toyota Highlander 2009, don't get it repaired by someone else. Do it yourself and save yourself a couple bucks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Brendan, aka Mr. Weaverface, and take care.